Hey, shut your mouth. Here. You hungry?
No.
Hey, shake your ass.
I gotta see it.
No, you just I'm gonna feed you. Just smell. Smell.
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
I don't want it.
Eat it. We're gonna keep doing it till you get it right.
Oh, God, it's disgusting.
We're gonna get it right. Here, I'll give you a little rice.
I don't want it.
Eat it!
It's disgusting, Dad.
Eat it!
Seriously, it's gross.
Eat it.
I'll feed myself.
I will give it to you.
Bridget, he's feeding me and shit now. I can't take this much more.
Take it!
It's soup. Eat it.
That's disgusting. I don't want any more. I'll feed myself.
If you leave a little piece of chicken for me, I'll leave you alone.
Fine. What is that shit?
It's chicken! It's chicken! Eat the chicken! Eat it! Eat the chicken!
Oh, God!
I made this for you! Come here! Eat the soup! It's just chicken!
Oh my God.
Are you gonna eat your soup or not?
No! Laugh, laugh, laugh. You got your laughing. Now get out!
I didn't do the laugh! I didn't think you feel better! I got all of
You
my...
knew I couldn't eat chicken paws.
There's nothing wrong with chicken feet!
Feet. Please get out now.